Good morning, everyone. In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about something that I call over-folderization. Over-folderization. What does that mean? It means I have clients that have so many folders for storing their emails that, in my opinion, it creates more of an issue than it's worth. Let me tell you about that a little bit. You'll notice over here I added two new folders, one for the ABC company and one for the XYZ company. Now, I have clients that have literally hundreds of folders. And what happens is this. Try to imagine this situation where you have an email and you say, you know what, I'm going to drag that over to the ABC company folder. So you click on the email and you drag it over there. But just as you do that, someone comes in the office or the phone rings and you get distracted a little bit and you just, without even knowing it, move the mouse just a little bit and let go. So now that email that you thought you put in the ABC company, by accident you put it in the Saturday folder. Now, I've seen that kind of thing happen a lot. That kind of thing happens and can occur. But having said that, what I want you to recognize is that you have the ability to search for things based on a lot of criteria. When something was received, who it's from, what the subject line is, all kinds of criteria. Because of that, even if you had just one folder and you wanted to use that folder to put everything in, remember I was talking about I have a folder called the important folder, and anything that I think, you know what, I don't want to delete that, I want to make sure I hold on to it, well, I'm going to be able to find it there. Also, in most cases, when you delete something, even though they're deleted, they stay in that folder until you delete that folder. So even if you put it in that folder by mistake, or you delete it by mistake, or you delete it and then later you recognize, you know what, I might need that, chances are you're going to be able to find it. So emails don't really disappear. The trick is knowing you can find things. It might take you a little bit of time, but that's okay. I'm a believer in don't waste a lot of time backwards organizing or organizing for things that might never happen. You might say, you know what, I want to save this email because I want to put it in the ABC company just in case I need it. But the reality is, even if you delete it and need it later, you'd most likely be able to find it. So think about all the time we spend in our day, and the last thing we want to do is waste a lot of time just organizing stuff that we might never need. So put things in a place that you can find it if you need it, but don't spend a lot of time organizing just in case. That's my philosophy. That's my approach. Don't get into the habit of over-folderization. And in upcoming tutorials, I'm going to show you how to search for things in a little bit more detail. Thank you very much. Have a great day.